I've been in the flooring industry since March of '93. And in my 25 years, I've been able to build a lot of relationships with my customers that I have till this day. We can bring the product directly to you. I have a large selection of different products: laminate, engineered flooring, sand and finish flooring. We'll put samples directly on the floor. That way you can see exactly how that floor is going to look in your decor. There's a lot of things that we all live by and really take into our visions as a business person, but one thing that I've really found out, the customer does not care how much I know until they know how much I care.